guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. My name is Xiao. Thanks for clicking on my video. Today's video I wanted to show you guys how I made our DIY hangover kits for our guests. We did have a destination wedding in Mexico and it was the most amazing week and amazing wedding day ever. It was the best decision to have a destination wedding. I really recommend destination weddings. I do plan on making a how to plan a destination wedding video in the future, so if you guys have any questions about destination weddings, please let me know in the comments down below and I will make sure to feature that in that video. So we had about 50 guests, and which I think is a pretty good size for a destination wedding. I've seen as little as like 15 to 150 guests, so we had a really manageable group. So we wanted to create some welcome bags for them. Just a nice way to say thanks and also welcome. We decided to put some hangover kits in there because they're always really popular and really fun as well. And I will be making a future video as well on how I put our welcome bags together and everything that I put in there, so make sure to look forward to that video. But today's video, I just wanted to show you guys how I made our hangover kits. All of the items that we did put in our hangover kits, I did do a lot of research about, you know, what most people put in the hangover kits, and I also asked myself, like, what items would I need? My advice would be to do what's best for your budget and what you think guests will use. Don't buy random things just because you think it will look good in it. But yeah, the next couple of videos that I will be posting are going to be more wedding DIY related, so I hope you guys are excited for that. And do keep in mind, these DIYs don't have to be just for weddings. They can be for any parties or anything like that. So other than that, let's just go ahead and get right into this DIY hangover kit video. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so for the materials, you need some kind of bag, of course, and these are actually cookie bags that I got from Michael's. They were less than like $5 and you got pack, I think it was like 20 or 25, I don't quite remember. And then I also made my own stamp using my Silhouette mint machine, which makes stamps. And I'm so sorry you guys, I wanted to show you in this video how I made the stamp, but I can't find the clips. But you could definitely just write it out if you have good handwriting, or print it and then tape it on. Next, you need some washi tape just to close up the hangover kit, and I decided to go with this gold foiled one just because I wanted to add some gold accent to it. And then last but not least, you'll need stuff to put into your hangover kits. Like I mentioned, just choose whatever is good with your budget and whatever you think your guests will use. So first thing we put in the hangover kits were just some gum. I got a large pack from Amazon. I think it was like less than $10 for, I don't remember how many packs. Got some Alka-Seltzer also from Amazon, just good for like upset stomach or just, you know, anything in general. It doesn't have to be day after the wedding. Also picked up some mints from Party City. I think it was like a pack of 100 for like less than $5 or so. So you can do like 2 or 4 in each bag if you wanted to. We also got some Target brand band-aids just in case for like cuts or scrapes, or if anyone slips and falls in the bathrooms and cuts their head open like my brother. Next up is a really popular one for hangover kits. It's Pepto, and this is good for diarrhea, heartburn, nausea, and upset stomach. And I definitely needed some of these after the wedding for my upset stomach. Last but not least, you need some Advil. You want to make sure you stick to non-steroid medicine, especially since you have liquor in your system. So you don't want to do a Tylenol. I would stick to Advil. Alright, so this DIY is going to be so simple. I'm going to take my cookie bag and figure out which face is the front. So in the back there's like the seam here, so I'm going to turn it around and use the other side. And since, like I mentioned, I do have this stamp that I'm sorry, I really wanted to show you guys how I made it. That's why I wanted to make this whole video separate, but I can't find it. So if you guys wanted to, you could just hand write it on the bags, or you can even print it on a large like sticker paper and then just cut that and stick it onto your hangover kit bags. But I'm just gonna stamp it on like so. I really love what it says, got to lit kit. I just think that's so cute. And then next up, you just want to go ahead and stick it with everything that you want to add in there. Again, I got some Alka-Seltzer, Advil, some gum, some Pepto, and then we have some mints, and then last but not least, some band-aids. And then all you have to do is close it up and tape it up with your washi tape, and you're all done with your hangover kits. So these were our finished hangover kits. I'm so happy with the way that they turned out. I would suggest, you know, if you have a lot of guests, you need to make a lot of them, I would just call all your girlfriends over, everyone in your bridal party, and just have a huge hangover kit making party. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it and found this DIY helpful, and hopefully it will help you guys in creating your own hangover kits for your guests or whatnot. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please look forward to my future videos coming out. If you guys are new, please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.